The U Utopia is one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, and the brand has been teasing it quite a lot in the past few months. Now we have the device with us in our labs, and while our review will tell you whether it's worth of all those hype, let's quickly check the device out with our first impressions. Unlike phablets that has become quite a rage these days, the U Utopia is a very well-built device and fits in the hand well thanks to a compact 5.2-inch display. The U Utopia is a premium offering with the price tag of Rs 24,999, and its build quality definitely lives up to that price point. You can see a metallic build with very clean and seamless design language, and good part is that the antenna is integrated in the body quite well. It doesn't hampers the look of the device. You also get 3-element key with the power button placed between volume rocker, which first started with used budget device Euphoria. At the back, you get camera module placed inside the Saturn link, which also looks quite good. With the thickness of 7.2 mm, the device is quite nice and it feels quite ergonomic also with its lightweight body. Other port placement seems to be quite standard, and the navigation keys have been placed in the software itself. The 5.2-inch display upfront features a resolution of 2560 x 1440 pixels, which is the first smartphone from an Indian brand featuring a 2K display, and as you can see, the screen seems to be quite sharp and crisp. Colors also seems to be vibrant. Viewing angles are nice, although screen seems to be fingerprint friendly. As you can see, there are quite a lot of smudges within just few seconds of using the device. Protecting the display against scratches is a layer of Corning Concord glass. The U Utopia is being touted as the most powerful phone ever, and to ensure that remains the case, U has powered the Utopia with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 810 processor, which offers two quad-core clusters of 2 GHz and 1.5 GHz respectively. As you can see, the navigation seems to be quite smooth and apps open very quickly. However, we will check out the performance during our in-depth review to see whether it lives up to its claim of most powerful phone ever. For multitasking, the U Utopia is powered by 4 gigs of RAM. In terms of storage, you get 32 gigs of storage on board, out of which around 22 GB is available to you. Unlike other flagships, you can also expand it further with the use of a micro SD card, which is quite nice. In terms of battery, the device is juiced up by 3000 mAh embedded unit, and it also supports quick charging technology, which means you can juice up the smartphone faster with the compatible charger. In terms of software, you can see it's powered by CyanogenMod OS, which is in version 12.1 and is based on Android Lollipop. There are quite a few features such as themes and customizable options, the ability to customize buttons, lock screen and other things. One interesting feature that the U Utopia brings is a feature called Around You. It's the services play from the Indian brand U, and the best part about this feature is that you don't need to install any app, and yet you can search for food nearby your area, purchase things from various e-commerce websites, book flight tickets, hotel tickets or even bus tickets thanks to brand's partnership with companies like Ixigo, Zomato and Ola. We'll definitely check this feature out and see how well it works in real life. In terms of camera capabilities, you get a 21 megapixel Sony unit at the back, which is supplemented by dual LED flash, and it also supports optical image stabilization as well as face detection autofocus for quick autofocusing capabilities. Camera UI seems to be quite minimal thanks to CyanogenMod OS, and it focuses very quickly. We will surely check out its performance in the real life with our in-depth review. For selfie fanatics, you get an 8 megapixel front camera. The Utopia also comes with a fingerprint scanner at the back, and you can set it up in settings. Fingerprint scanner can be used for unlocking the device. So you can add up to 5 fingerprints. And another interesting thing about this fingerprint scanner is that you can also use it as a shutter button while capturing photos. Overall, at the price tag of Rs 24,999, the Utopia seems to be quite ambitious offering from the Indian brand, as it taking on the likes of OnePlus 2, Asus Zenfone 2, Nexus 5X. However, the device seems to stand out thanks to its premium metallic build and powerful hardware along with loaded snappers. We will bring you more on the device and its capabilities over the coming days to tell you about its worth. Till then, stay tuned. This is Nitanj signing off. Thanks for watching.